The future is moving towards unitized construction for facades. To get that unitized construction, there has to be a structural element there in the facade for the panels to fit onto, and that is going to be cold form steel. So we're strategically positioning ourselves in a prime spot to be able to be in that part of the industry.
Yeah, I think the future of the steel industry too is going to be strong. I mean, that's the recession hit and everyone stopped building with cold form steel and went to wood, but now you see it's back everywhere. And
Yeah,
I think the price point is coming back around. Hopefully.
kind of share a little bit of your experience with that.
Yeah, we had a client that had a custom window system that used steel, light gauge steel, instead of aluminum. So we had to do a lot of different analysis on that. I had to read through the AISI to find out how to analyze that one. That was unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one forced us to dive deep on the AISI and find the right lateral torsional buckling. And these shapes were wild. They were folded pieces that would fold onto themselves to shape the form of a mullion. But
Massive
it was
thermal breaks between.
Oh yeah, I kind of forgot about those. But yeah, the biggest thermal breaks we've ever seen, like this thick, and law is almost 50% the depth of the mullion. So yeah, Kevin killed it on that one. But yeah, it allowed us to dive deep. We didn't really use any software. Kevin, remind me, I think put together a spreadsheet, right?
Yeah, and I used CF Sim to get a lot, and then I ended up just writing a bunch of formulas in Word to come up with all the calculators from AISI.
Yeah, and the reason why we didn't use the Simpson software was because, like as we see in this industry, a lot of shapes are proprietary, and you can't really put them as shapes in this type of softwares. With conform steel, they're a lot more standardized, so we can just throw in a piece like we would in like RISA for a steel beam or something.